Hello everybody and welcome back to the 1.20 SMP, where in today's episode we are not going to be going to the Woodland Mansion like I said we would, but instead I had a different episode idea. So the Woodland Mansion is going to be pushed back to next episode, because, Raptor doesn't have the time to do it right now, so we're going to do that. A couple of days recording time, you guys will have no difference whatsoever. So today's episode we are going to be hatching some sniffers. Now I got these sniffer eggs from the archaeological trip that I did a long time ago. It was actually during the trip where I went to get the June armor trim, about 15,000 blocks away. So yeah. I also went digging archaeological flying. I should really know the verb for that. I went digging and I found 3 of them down there. So I've refused to pick up any items or any eggs that Grayson has given me. I just dropped them back on the ground, he doesn't know yet. But anyway, he's banned from the server, he can't get mad at me. So what we're going to do is I've chopped down this area of bamboo and covered it in moss. And we're going to place our 3 sniffer eggs. And I believe this should take about 2 in-game days. So, yeah, it's on moss. Okay, Raptor says that because it's on moss it should take about 10 minutes. So we'll see you guys when we start to see progress. I was just watching YouTube for a bit there, and I look back and there's a creeper behind me. Anyway, yeah, there's cracks on the eggs, and yeah, you can hear it if you listen very closely. Oh wait, no, never mind, that's a spider. Where is the spider? I don't know. But anyway, yeah. We have the 3 eggs here. They're probably going to hatch sometime soon. The farm's still harvesting. Really loud. If anything else happens, we'll come back. I just thought you guys might want some peaceful music while we wait. Just nice and peaceful. They hatched. Sorry, there was no time. They literally just hatched. We have Snifflets. They're so cute. Look at them. Sniff, sniff. They're just so small. And their animations are so good. Look at those animations are just next level. Like I'm so glad the mobs that they are actually adding in, which by the way, you need to add more mobs in Mojang. I'm glad that they're just got better animations, because stuff like just the legs moving on some it isn't the greatest. There you've got the entire thing bobbing up and down. You've got all the legs moving singularly. They're all just sat in a corner as well. Like, you've got this entire pen and you're just sat in the corner. This is... I like them. Look at their noses. Look at their eyes. They are just so small. Little snifflets. I'm going to see how long it takes these guys to grow up. I wait for these guys to grow up, guys. I would just like to take this moment to be that one annoying YouTuber who always does this in the episode and say that only 5% of my viewers are actually subscribed to this channel. That means that 95 me get it. 95.2% of you people watching right now are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out and helped me get to 1,000 subs, which is my main goal for this channel. Please subscribe. We'll see you guys when this grows up. So guys, this one has been a bit of a short episode. Just so you know, these guys take about 20 minutes to grow up. They've not grown up yet, because unfortunately I have to end the episode here. So, in other words, I literally can't bother to wait. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like down below. And we'll see you guys next time.